almost heaven, West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountains, Shenandoah. Life is older, older than the trees, younger than the mountains, blowing like a breeze. Country roads, take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, Mad Mama, take me home. Country roads, all my memories gather round her. Mindless lady, stranger to the rulers, dark and dusty, painted on the sky. Misty tasty moonshine, teardrop in her eyes. Country roads, take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, Mad Mama, take me home. Country roads. I hear a voice in the morning as she calls me. The radio reminds me of my home far away. And driving down the road I get a feeling that I should have been home yesterday. Yesterday. Country roads, take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, Mad Mama, take me home. Country roads, country roads, take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, Mad Mama, take me home. Country roads, take me home. Country roads, take me home. Country roads. Well, hi there pluckers, Ivor Sawfingers again with you. Thanks indeed for joining me for another classic guitar lesson. Okay, this is John Denver's classic song Take Me Home, Country Roads, of course. Okay, standard tuning, no capos, and I'm doing it in the same key as John Denver released the song in. Okay, so it starts off with this A chord. Okay, sort of an A hitting the A string, strum, down and up, and then the bottom E string open. Okay, so root note, bottom E string, A string, bottom E string. Okay, it does that for about 3 or 4 times. Almost heaven. Then we go to an F sharp minor. West Virginia, E, Blue Ridge Mountains, D, Shenandoah, A river. Okay, got that right. So it's A, almost heaven, F sharp minor, West Virginia, E, Blue Ridge Mountain, D, Shenandoah, A river. Repeat. Life is older, F sharp minor, older than the trees, E, younger than the mountain, D, blowing in the breeze. Okay, and that's the verse sorted. That's the same for all the verses. Okay, so then we get to the chorus. Country roads, take me E home, with F sharp minor, ba ba D. Okay, so let's go through that bit again. So, country roads, E, take me home, F sharp minor, to the place, D, I belong, back to A, West Virginia, to E, down to minor, F, up to D, down to go, back to A, country road. And that's the same for all the choruses, okay, they're all the same, okay, so let's play that again. Country road, A, E, turning O, F sharp minor to the place, D, I belong, A, Virginia, E, Mountain Mama, D, take me home, A, country road. Then obviously another verse. A, all my memories, A sharp minor, gathered round, E, miner's lady, D, stranger to A, again, A, the A sharp minor, painted to the sky, E, D, then another chorus, country roads, E, sharp minor to the place, D, I belong, A, West Virginia, Mountain, E, Mountain Mama, D, take me home, back to the A, now we go into the bridge section, F sharp minor, okay, I hear the E voice in the A, morning hour she calls me, D, the radio A reminds me, E, rather far away, and right, F sharp minor, driving down the G. This is right. So this is a bit slightly unusual, but it's so let's do that again. Let's start from that again. So here I hear F sharp minor, I hear the voice in the E. She calls me, D, the radio A reminds me, E, home far away, and F sharp minor, driving down the road is G, road I feel that, D, feeling that I, A, should have been home, E, yesterday, stop. Then go back into another chorus again, okay? So let's just do the middle bit again, F sharp minor, I hear the E voice in the A morning, she calls me, D, the radio A reminds me, E of my home far away, and F sharp minor, driving down G, road I get a D, feeling that I, A, should have been home, E, yesterday, stop, chorus, country road, E, sharp minor, D, West Aiden, E, D, take me home, country road, repeat the chorus, country road, take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia, Mama, take me home, country road. End of the song, take me E, down country, back to A, back to E again, take me home, down country, A, quick E, A, and that's how the song finishes, a quick E to A, okay? So it's coming out to the country road, end of the song, take me home, down country road, take me home, country road, quick E to A, okay? And there you have it, boys and girls, that's the whole, everything that's in it. It's a very simple song. Hope you enjoyed that and have fun playing it. Unfortunately it's not in the right key for me, but I like to keep things as much as I can in the original key, so people can play along with the original version, okay? So thanks very much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.